guys? Caleb here with Dockside Motor Club.
Thank you.
And today, well, it was thunderstorming earlier, and there's not much happening right now. Everybody went to go liquor store, Smoothie King, people on the way. It's not bad. Definitely a little windy out today, but this ain't my car. Also, oh, there goes a helmet.
Helmet down.
Bravo 6 down. Anyway, though, we got Tyler today. We're just camping out in his Mustang because why the hell not? Waiting for people to get here or come back. A lot of the guys went to the liquor store.
If they come back.
Yes, if they come back, yeah. But yeah, I mean,
That sums it up.
it's going along just as well as he thought it could. Fuck yeah, bud. But yeah.
We got 2 cars and 4 bikes.
Yeah, as of now.
Plus 5 bikes.
But yeah, we'll see what happens. Yo, we got the Cruise, we got the bike, and a Maserati of all things, bro. God. Also, he owns that Jaguar. That Maserati right there, he owns that Jaguar.
You hear him downshift when he came by?
Yup. Oh my lord. Look at this dude.
Oh my Atlanta.
Look at these dudes.
They gotta have some type of entertainment.
I suppose. You ain't wrong. Look. He's all the way down there. These two are just over here, just test riding on bikes, man. That does really sound like a Beetle. Nah,
I said it.
it does sound like a Beetle.
A hog-ass cammed Beetle.
Then he's over there trying to put it up on the wheel. Then this guy's just like, oh, hey, Colin.
Better, it sounds like a dirt bike with a stock muffler.
Oh my god. Stop when you have the chance. Jesus Christ. Damn, bro, it's not that big, but I mean, it'll grow, Look at that.
What the hell is on the front of that bike?
That's a light. It's kind of cool, though. I'll give it that. Oh, fuck my eye. Big wing check. Oh, where is it? There it is. Look at that fucking view. Jeez. Intriguing.
RT.
What? I'll be damned. Noise. Look at all of them. 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 Oh, let me this. Oh. Oh, look at him. That's a turbo. And then there was 4. Alright, you know what? That's enough of you. Shit, here we go again. Look at this guy. Haven't seen this guy in ages. Stance gang. Okay. Then the Maserati. Yeah. I know. Hey. That's hey, Brandon Chow, Ethan.
Who's the chick?
Can't remember her name. Kylie, I think. Yeah.
Who's in the S13?
Dude, that thing
Ethan.
is mean.
Who's in the S13?
Ethan. Then that's
that thing is fucking sick.
Hey, the Maserati right here. That's Brock.
That Maserati
What?
is sick as fuck.
Bro, I have him on Snapchat. He also has a Jaguar Project 7, that, and a 68 Camaro.
Oh,
Maserati.
Beautiful.
that's a Maserati.
Hey. Hey.
You don't know about it. Waste him a lot of money there. Yeah.
He's got many others. We're good.
Look, hey, nah, you can
Man, look at these.
That's a lot of money.
It's a nice car, man. I like him. Hell yeah.
Is it? Look how fucking. That's a wrap. Hey, I like this new wrap.
I wonder if it's got a 2J in it. Give her some. Give her some hell.
Oh man.
Oh, Honda Civic inside. Yeah, Caleb.
What's good? Hell yeah.
Dude, that new wrap you put on looks so good.
It's badass right there.
You gotta go check them out.
I seen that S13 at fucking IHOP.
Bro. The lineup though. Well, already we got Brock right here, most expensive car here. God damn it.
It's fucking gorgeous for what it is.
Hell yeah. Bro, I haven't seen this guy in ages. What's going on, bro?
What's up?
Dude, this new Raptor is hella sick.
Got in it, 2J. And air.
Shit.
GE. Is it the stock motor?
Bro, hold up a second. Excuse me a quick moment. You're good, bro?
No.
Fucking straight, dude. Yo, and then we got this guy right here too, bro. What's good? Oh, hell yeah.
You need a slam? That's okay. You put some rims on it like that. I put a full air.
It'd be the fastest Lexus in the state of Illinois.
Dude, totally. Like a pull up to.
God damn. Bro. Okay, 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 okay.
I'm trying to get on this line. God damn.
Damn, son. That's awesome. Damn, bro. Okay. Damn, bro. Oh, there's a scrape. Hell yeah, bro. Alright, so we left Logan's out of courtesy because, you know, 3 state troopers. We kind of got, I wouldn't say paranoid, but at the same time paranoid. So, like, fuck you. But yeah, no. Now we're sitting back at the old spot over here at Target. You know, I left first, you know, just to make sure. And obviously nothing was to happen. So, nothing did happen. So, we're all good. Just here at the different spot. They're talking about going golfing now. Bro. Thing is a badass. Jesus. That, hey, spun all 4, and I guarantee you that's 4.
Dude, he left 3 marks.
Damn. Dude, that's why I want one. Listen to that welded diff. Holy shit. Oh, I'd be careful doing that.
Well, there's a pregnant person in there, so I definitely think he's careful. That thing honestly sounds good.
It is.
Fun.
Dude, Hang on. Let me stop the camera real quick. Oh, somebody took out a fucking tree. And here we are in the Mustang. Just kind of having time of our life real quick. But we have to go investigate because apparently there's a group of cars somewhere down here.
Well,
Accordingly, maybe. We don't know yet, but we'll find out. Oh, Stan's boys are still here? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wait, is Maserati still here? SS?
I don't see nothing else. That's probably what he thought was a Supra.
You can't lose me forever. I am back.
Hey, TA.
Where? Chris! What a beautiful night here with all these closed businesses. A lot faster than a 2-valve, all right.
That's all you're getting in the parking lot. Especially with all the heat that's driving around.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy tonight.
They're gonna be on us like flies on hot shit right now after that.
They already are. What you talking about?
They're flashing! I see them in the...
Not again. You gotta go up and then to the left there.
Stop at the stop sign.
No cop, no stop. Oh wait, don't actually follow that order right now.
Yeah, because there's probably a camera at that place pointing at the stop sign.
Oh, there is. It's okay.
That's like the campground I was at
It's
yesterday.
okay.
They got cameras on the snack shack pointing at the stop sign.
You'll make it.
That motherfucker's gonna take my spot. I swear to God. I will put this thing in reverse and slam it in first, roll backwards and ride a wheelie on top of this guy. I might break a drive shaft, but
Might break your drive shaft, but
yeah, I'll look damn good doing it.
Hey, CSHO. Hey. Hey, it's my sack of shit. Hey, look, it's my piece of shit. I want to die. Hey. Hey! Oh! My car! And you're good.
Now you do without hitting.
Perfect. Perfect.
Oh, he's moving.
Said he's done racing for the night.
What do you got, bro?
He raced the
A
other
red
SRT
SRT.
that was about the other fast.
Damn.
He just fucking.
Are you pushing any more boost to stop?
Damn. So this thing has the same motor as a GNX or Grand National.
I love you.
Oh my, yeah, bro. All the fucking time, bud. I'm not even monetized.
You're really YouTubing.
Yeah,
I'm on
that
YouTube.
ass. Yeah, bro, you're on YouTube now. Oh yeah, listen to that. Fuck yeah, bud.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, bud. This is turbocharged.
This one's not.
I know.
I'm gonna go cruise around for a minute, see if I can get them to fall asleep.
All right,
But
sounds
I'll
good.
be back because I've got like 4 or 5 ST guys coming.
Oh hell yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, we'll probably be down here.
I think my dad would.
No, I wouldn't have a base model show up and call it an ST.
Damn.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, let me remind you. Welcome to YouTube.
Just because it's an custom plates for this. And I don't know if I want my Instagram name, which is not a ST, or if I want SUPA SLO. Super slow.
Wait, don't you have your Instagram on this?
What?
Don't you have your Instagram sticker on this somewhere?
No.
No?
I used to. Super slow.
I remember you used to. Yeah.
Yeah, but when my back window shattered out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah, the back window shattered out.
Oh. Hey Justin, here you go.
15-inch subwoofer. Here you
Stock
go.
car, dude. Run
You
this
want to race
one.
it? Race this one? Flat shift? Turbo?
Nope, it's just on there for low.
He says that. What the hell is that? What the hell? Man, I cannot believe this thing is turbocharged though. Holy shit, yo. Look at that. That's awesome.
I'll be back in a few.
76. Alright, I know I'm hyped up to SRT, but honestly, this is built.
at this. He's just circling in his focus, bro.
That turbo's. You have a big turbo on your SRT.
It's got a 60-70 turbo.
It's got a what now?
A 60-70 precision turbo.
But see, if this were my car, that pipe that's run into the exhaust manifold would be dumped straight out the hood.
Oh, hell no.
He likes my car.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, is that Adam?
Where?
No. Hey, there you go. There's a race for you.
There's a race for you.
Adam? Is that you?
No way, they ain't graded.
Dad? Oh, that's right. He left 12 years ago.
You left 12 years ago. Hell no, dude. Oh shit, hold on.
Is that toothless?
Toothless. I bet it is toothless.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, that's toothless.
That's
Yo,
toothless, bro.
hey.
Dude, that's toothless.
Yes.
That's toothless, man. Toothless is here.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, bro? Bro, cleanest SRT Ford you'll see around here, bro. I swear on my life.
Cleanest SRT.
Now we got some cars.
Now we got some fucking cars that's toothless.
Yo.
Let him go.
Yo.
Hell yeah.
Okay, okay. Hell yeah, bro. Fucking hey, bud. What's up, y'all? What the hell? Oh, hell yeah, bud. Hell yeah, bud.
You won't do it. You won't do it.
You're right, he won't.
You got it.
Oh, shit. That thing is gnarly.
I was gonna say that's big. It's pushing around.
Come on. You ain't got here.
That's super clean, just like this one.
Yo, okay. Bro. Oh, shit. Bro, hell yeah.
I love the tail.
Dude, the rims.
These are fresh wheels, if I'm not mistaken, too, bro.
18 karat gold right there for you, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
It looks like it.
I know, hard.
Thing is nasty.
Dude, that thing is hard as hell.
That thing's clean.
Damn, bro.
Hard clean.
Yo, it's the group from earlier. We're just minus some Maserati. And the SS is here, too, bro. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. I've always seen that car around, bro, the Camaro. There goes the, what is that, the Lexus? Oh my God, I think you scraped there. Holy shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, not again. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Your point being? Damn.
Well, they're missing that's all the way back.
It's a motorcycle.
That's on four wheel.
It's a motorcycle.
We put a bass boat.
Yo. Holy shit.
I saw you come around the corner. I was like, holy shit. That
Bro.
motherfucker's right.
With the see-through timing code.
Damn, bro. Other side too? Damn. Yo.
You ain't running.
This is so far, yeah. This is the baddest car that I think I've ever seen.
Hey, look at the clutch.
Dude.
This is a bad build.
Holy shit. Oh my God.
That's 1900, isn't it? 300.
Oh, he thought scoop. You're talking
my
about
God.
getting there.
I thought it was gonna do
I got it. Nope, I got it. We're good.